Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get into some frequently asked questions. Let's go.
Tell me what it's like to live with superpowers. I don't know, but I'ma get it.
Hey AB family, it's your girl D with Eris Beauty, and I'm back again with another question. So I got this question, so I want to talk about it. There is no such thing as nano blading. In fact, there is no blades used in nano brows, period. Nano brows is a technique that's used to create the same effect or same look as microblading without any blades needed. So traditionally, microblading uses needles, a set of needles on a handheld tool to create the look of hair. Provides hair strokes, but it's used with individual needles or blades. Nano brows creates the same effect without the use of any needles. It's done completely with a tattoo gun from start to finish and gives you the same desired look. So I'm guessing the next question is, who would be a great candidate for nano brows, or why would somebody get nano brows? Well, great question. Nano brows is a great option for candidates that have oily skin. Clients that traditionally have oily skin are not great candidates for microblading, as microblading is very superficial. It's just basically think of it like paper strokes, paper cuts in the skin. So because the natural oils that occur in the skin is ever present, it causes those hair strokes to fade very, very fast. So the client is not able to enjoy the look of hair strokes for a long period of time. However, with nano brows, because it's done with a tattoo machine, you're able to enjoy hair strokes for a long period of time, less downtime, and everybody, especially clients with oily skin, is able to get the look of hair strokes. Hey guys, it's your girl D Rainey again, and I'm back with another question. So the answer is no. You do not have to come in for a consultation in order to get your brows done. You can absolutely just book an appointment and come in. Now, consultations, if you book an appointment and come in, consultations are done within the first 15 minutes of your appointment. And at that point in time, we go through everything from desired brow look, the technique we want to achieve, and the color. So throughout the process, you know everything that's going to happen from start to finish. If you are somebody who would like to come in and have a sit down with me, absolutely, you are more than welcome. You can book a consultation, come sit with me, and we'll go over the same things. It's 30 minutes uninterrupted, all your time, so that we can talk about everything that you want so that you're completely comfortable and we can get your appointment scheduled. Man, I get this question all the time. Does it hurt? Well, I have to honestly say that 95%, seriously, no joke, all BS aside, 95% of my customers say that they definitely do not feel anything. They literally lay down, and through our numbing cream, they are completely comfortable through the process from start to finish. I have a very light touch, and I really want to make sure that you are comfortable from start to finish. Plus, it's very, very hard to create straight lines if you're flinching the entire time. So I want you comfortable. So honestly, no, you are completely numb to alleviate any discomfort you may feel. So honestly, I would have to say, and I have to stand by this, that you will be completely comfortable with this process, because I really want the process to be enjoyable for you. All right. So truth. My favorite type of brows to do are combination brows. It's also the one that I do the most of, so I don't know if there's a correlation there, but my favorite type of brows to do are combination brows, number one. But it's followed close second by touch-ups. I love doing touch-ups more than I love the first session. And I think the reason that is because you really get a chance to see what the brow looks like after its first session, when you put that second layer of color on and the brow just really stands out. Not to mention the fact that most times my clients, they come back for that second session, boy, they are like, I want darker, I want bigger, I want bolder. They're just a lot more comfortable. So I think that helps too. But touch-ups are definitely my favorite as well. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
You got me shaking, yeah, I